Hello. So today in this session we are going to see the next topic in trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of negative angles. So we have already studied trigonometric ratio in terms of coordinates of a point, that is sin theta is y by r, cos theta is x by r, and tan theta is y by x. Now if it is unit circle, then that is radius is 1, then sin theta is equals to y, cos theta is equals to x, and tan theta is y by x. Now, and here angle AOP and AOQ are the standard angles. So we have already studied what is standard angles. So standard angles are the angles whose vertex lie on the origin and the initial arm lies on the positive x-axis. Now here angle AOP and angle AOQ are the directed angle in standard position or standard angles. Now here as we have already seen that if the initial arm moves in anti-clockwise direction, then the angle is taken as positive, and if the initial arm moves in a clockwise direction, then the angle is taken as negative. Now suppose here it makes an angle theta in the anti-clockwise direction and it makes an angle minus theta in clockwise direction. So P and Q are the nothing but mirror images here. So P has the coordinate x comma y, and in the fourth quadrant, Q lies in the fourth quadrant, so it will have a coordinate x comma minus y. So as we have already seen that sin theta is equals to y by r. If the r is equals to 1, if it is unit circle, then sin theta is equals to y if r is equals to 1 for unit circle. Now, and cos theta is x by r, so it will be equals to x if r is equals to 1 unit, and then tan theta is equals to y by x. So this is for positive angle. So this was the positive angle. We have seen the first three trigonometric functions. So similarly we can find out for other trigonometric function by taking the reciprocal of these functions. Now if the angle is negative, so what will be the trigonometric ratios? Now first I'll take the sine function here. Sine of minus theta, this angle will be equals to, again if we apply here, so this nothing but it represents minus y, and this part represents the x, and this is nothing but r, and we have taken r here is equals to 1 unit, so it's a unit circle. Now minus sine minus theta. Now so what is sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is opposite here? Minus y upon r, so it will be minus y because r is equals to 1. So therefore we get sine theta is minus, sine of minus theta is equals to minus y. But we have already seen that minus, what is y? Y is nothing but equals to sine theta. So minus, what is y? Y is equals to sine theta. So sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. So we'll see similarly for cos theta. So for cos theta, if you take, now what is cos theta here? So cos of minus theta will be equals to, so cos of minus theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent here is x upon hypotenuse, that is r. So if we take unit circle, so r is equals to 1, so it is equals to x. So we have already seen that cos theta is equals to x. So in the place of x, I can write cos theta. So cos of minus theta is nothing but equals to cos theta. So cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. But in case of sine, it is sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Now we take the tan. So tan of minus theta is equals to y by x. Now it's y by x. Here if you take, we take minus theta, so minus y by x. X is positive here. So can I write this as tan of minus theta is equals to minus bracket y by x. But what is y by x? Y by x is nothing but equals to tan theta. So tan theta is equals to tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. So this is the another relation. So we got sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, and tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. So we can similarly, by taking the reciprocal of all this, we can get that cosec of minus theta will be equals to minus cosec theta. This is the reciprocal of sin theta. Now if we take reciprocal of cos theta, so it is sec theta. So sec of minus theta will be equals to sec theta, and the cot will be what? Cot of minus theta will be minus cot theta. It will be minus cot theta. So this is another relation. So in the case of cos only, cos and sec, the cos function of minus angle, negative angle, is nothing but equals to cos of the positive angle. So if you want to find out, for example, if you want to find out the values, so we'll write all the functions here. So we got all the relations, we'll write here, that is sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, and tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Then cosec of minus theta, you will get minus cosec theta, and sec of minus theta is sec theta, and cot of minus theta will be minus cot theta. So these are two trigonometric function whose negative, cos of negative is equals to cos of that positive angle. So if you want to find out, for example, minus trigonometric function of minus 60. So what will be? It will be equals to, for example, if you take for sine, so sine of minus 60 will be equals to minus sine 60. So we have already studied that sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Now if you want to find out cos of minus 60 will be equals to cos 60, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So it will be cos 60 is what? Is 1 upon 2 and tan minus 60 will be equals to minus tan 60, and minus tan 60 is what? Root 3. So this is how we can solve the sums that are based on trigonometric ratios of negative angles. So in the next session we are going to see more number of examples and different relation that we require for trigonometric this trigonometry chapter. So till then, all the best. Thank you.